Find or read reviews that people are talking about ZOPOM, Tire Inflator, Portable Air Compressor, DC 12V. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Fast and powerful inflation. The ZOPOM Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor delivers up to 150 psi with an airflow rate of 35 liters per minute, allowing you to inflate a standard 195/65/R5 tire from 0 to 35 psi in under 5 minutes. Whether you're dealing with a low tire or prepping for a long drive, this powerful air compressor gets the job done quickly and efficiently. Smart preset and auto shut-off. Easily set your desired tire pressure with the digital display, and let the inflator do the rest. Once the preset pressure is reached, the auto shut-off feature prevents overinflation, giving you peace of mind and hassle-free operation. User-friendly digital display and LED light. Equipped with a bright, high-precision digital display, the ZOPOM tire pump provides real-time pressure readings in multiple units, PSI, bar, kPa, kilogram per square centimeter. The built-in LED light ensures visibility for nighttime use, emergencies, or low-light situations. Compact, portable and versatile. Designed for convenience, this lightweight air compressor easily fits in your car's trunk, glove box, or storage compartment. With a 10 feet power cord and multiple nozzle attachments, it's perfect for inflating car tires, motorcycles, bicycles, sports balls, and other inflatables. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.